Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to make a recipe with watermelon. Usually we tend to eat only this red part of the melon and throw the remaining rind. But you can actually make a lot of different recipes with the rind as well. Like watermelon rind chutney, pakori, halwa, etc. And in today's video, we are going to make watermelon rind halwa. You can check out all the other watermelon videos on my playlist Watermelon. To prepare the halwa, I will be roughly chopping the watermelon rind that I am left with after making all the juice and shakes. You can take the required quantity of rind based on the number of people you want to serve. So here I have the required amount of rind and I will be transferring this into the mixing jar and will make a fine paste without adding water. We'll secure the lid and make its paste. I will heat up a frying pan and in the meanwhile our paste is also ready. Once the pan is heated up, I am adding 2 spoons of ghee. Into this, adding 2 cloves. Adding about 1.5 spoon of rava or suji. Allow this to fry. And we'll add another spoon of besan. We'll mix this well with the ghee and allow it to cook for a few minutes. After that, adding the paste that we prepared with watermelon rind. Give everything a good mix just to ensure there isn't any lumps formed by the besan. You need to keep stirring it and cook this in low to medium flame. Once it starts to thicken a bit and is about 80% cooked, I am adding jaggery. You can add any sweetener that you like. Once jaggery melts and it comes to your desired consistency, turn off the flame and serve. I am serving this with dates milk or khajur milk, and you can find a recipe for the same on this channel as well. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.